So if we don't save hippos, one fact is if we don't save hippos, they will become extinct in 20 years. That's because people kill them to eat them, and they also kill them with the ivory teeth. People destroy hippos' habitats by cutting down trees. The second interesting fact is that a single cut can kill a sea turtle. That's because a single plastic cup can kill a sea turtle. That's because the sea turtle thinks that plastic cup is a jellyfish, and it eats it and gets sick and dies. Some ways to save animals are to recycle, make less trash, pick up litter, and not destroy animals' habitats. Now you know how to save animals. If I can, you can.